Okay.
Okay, this is a quick video. It's May 24th or 25th, and this video is really for my customer Sam Ford. A while ago I had a video about a 327 that I built for a customer on my Angel test stand, and that belonged to Sam. So a few weeks ago he brought his car here all the way from Ottawa. He drove here from Ottawa, and I put this 327. It's a custom build. It's got aluminum heads, roller cam, Mutha Thumper camshaft, aluminum intake manifold, and while I've had this car here, since I had it running, I've been doing some test runs and using it a little bit, and it certainly has gathered a lot of attention in the city of London. I can't park it anywhere without somebody coming up to me. So I'll just show you under the hood a little bit. That's what it looks like. Nice chrome valve covers, aluminum heads. This is, I mentioned in the other video, it's a 327 block that would have been a 1968 Nova 678 casting number on the block, and so it's the exact right engine for this car. It's also got headers, and I also want to start it up so Sam can hear it run with this Mutha Thumper camshaft. So I'm going to start it up. We'll keep the video running. Come around to the exhaust, you can hear that. That's what Mutha Thumper can. What's it sound like?